Today we'll show you how to make broccoli with silky pork sauce. Fresh broccoli florets are quickly boiled and topped with umami-packed silky sauce made of ground pork and dashi broth. It's easy, healthy, and so good. Full recipe is on JapaneseCooking101.com. Cut a fresh broccoli into small florets. You can also use the stem and cut into small pieces. Peel and finely grate a fresh ginger root. In a small bowl, mix katakuriko potato starch and water and set all aside. Bring small amount of water to a boil in a pot, add broccoli with a pinch of salt and cook covered for 2 to 3 minutes. And strain the water well and keep broccoli covered. In a frying pan, heat the oil over medium heat and add the ground pork. You can also use ground chicken if you prefer, and cook the ground pork until browned. Remove the fat with the paper towel if you want. Now add the dashi broth and season with sugar and soy sauce. And bring to a boil. Stir the starch mixture and add it to the sauce, stirring constantly to avoid lumps. When the sauce is thickened, add the ginger and let it boil for a minute. The thick, silky sauce is called Ankake in Japanese, and it's one of the important cooking techniques used in Japanese cuisine. Remove from the heat and serve immediately. Plate broccoli florets in a serving bowl and pour the pork sauce over. The ginger-flavored Ankake sauce pairs well with the pork and broccoli. This is a great alternative to salad for the coming cold season. Give this a try soon.
美味しい。美味しいね。